Okay, why are we in my car? So we're in my car because I'm going to clean it. And as I clean it, I'm going to see if there's any pieces of daily ephemera and trash that I can either collage with or make a book with. I don't know. So I noticed a lot of comments on my videos lately that have been questions like, where do I get junk journal supplies or ephemera when stores are closed, or going out shopping is kind of inaccessible. My idea for this video is a two-parter. One, clean up this trash dump of a car, and also two, see if there's anything that I can salvage to make some art out of in my little junk journal. So I'm gonna clean up this car and meet you all back at my craft desk to show you what I have collected. What we got here. And yes, this pink bag was also in the car, so this is up for grabs. Okay, so we have McDonald's thing, or fry thing, this little coffee holder. Super fortunate to find this little card. Also a tissue, which we may use for decoupage, I don't know. Reese's peanut butter. Some junk mail. This is the envelope that the card was in. This is a little, what would you call it? A brochure or program for Benji's Drive-In Theater. Baltimore has a drive-in theater, which is really cool. I'm surprised that Gary and I haven't tried to escape the house to go do that. It seems like we literally just go to work, go to the grocery store, and come home. I don't know why this is in here, but that was in the car. A whole bunch of sugar packets. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. And these are a whole bunch of receipts. I found this clear plastic thing, which could be cool for making like some kind of transparency window or something like that. So that's what I found. We'll see what we can create. I'm kind of imagining that we're gonna make a lot of clusters of some of these pieces, maybe some tags, and we can even make little snippet rolls if we want to. Could totally glue all of these together and create one long roll for a snippet roll, maybe paint on them, I don't know. I'm gonna think about this for a second and then I will be back with the first project. I'm going to use this Starbucks gift card holder as a pocket by folding down the sides. And then I'm going to paint over it with some DIY texture paint. To make the paint, I'm mixing a packet of sugar with white acrylic paint. While my pocket is drying, I'm deconstructing the card and using a part of it to create a tag. To decorate the tag, I'm decoupaging a McDonald's napkin to create texture, and then I'm adding some stamping. I never knew that the handles on some paper bags are literally just paper rolled tightly to create a cord. So to create a tassel for the tag, I unrolled pieces of the bag handle and added brads. If you're working on a project and have a lot of materials out on your desk that you want to use, the best tip to make your journals and spreads feel cohesive is to repeat materials and colors. If you're new to collaging and art journaling, you may see work that has a million little pieces that seem to work together seamlessly. This is because the artist is playing on some form of repetition, be it images, layout, or color and materials like I mentioned before. So if your goal is to make your pages feel more cohesive, try repetition. Once the paint was dry on my pocket, I decoupaged the same brown napkin to create cohesiveness between the tag and pocket. I also twisted a piece of the bag handle to make a little bow. The text I added was also cut from the card I deconstructed to add more interest to the pocket. Since I'm going for a rougher, worn look, I distressed the text with the edge of my scissors, then added some distressing ink. And now I'm going to make a little cluster. This was the most fun because it felt like working on a little puzzle to make the pieces fit. I still have a lot of trash from the car that I didn't use in this video, so let me know in the comments if you like another video of me working with these pieces. This will help me decide if I can chuck this bag or not. Oh, and if you've been watching this video for this long, hit the like button and subscribe to help us grow this little channel. We upload new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. With all of my pieces finished, I'm going to add them into my journal. I have a tutorial where I'll teach you how to create your own journal like this one, and I recently uploaded a new video with a binding method that's perfect for journal maker beginners. Both of those tutorials are linked above in the iCards and below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to clean up a space and use the trash to make something beautiful for yourself and your journal. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!